Hey, what's going on? My friend James Bill here, and welcome to my channel, where today I'm going to be discussing with you online marketing tips, how you can get 20 to 50 leads per day online for free, guys. I've been marketing now for a couple of years, and when I first started out here, guys, like so many other people, I didn't know what I was doing, and I was basically spamming my link all over the place, on my profile, just trying to get a sale. I thought that's what it was all about, and I'm sure some of you are doing the same thing, but we're going to correct that today. And also the Facebook groups. Oh man, I would go inside these Facebook groups and just have a ball in here. Put out the link all over the place. I'm like, it's got how many people in each group? 40, 50, 80,000 people. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the sales that I'm gonna be generating? That's how I thought it went, guys. Honestly, but it does not work that way. So that's why I wanted to create this video, and hopefully this is going to help somebody out there. Let's start off with number one. You need to go to your Facebook profile, guys, and start engaging with the people that's there, liking your stuff, commenting on your stuff. You want to engage with these people. Text them a message, simply start engaging with them there. You have the voice app that you can use. Facebook allows you to use the voice app. You can go ahead and send them a voice message. Pick up the phone. If the message gets pretty good and interesting and look like it could lead to other things, ask them, do they mind getting on a short call, and take it from there. You have to engage. If not, you're just letting leads go by the wayside, guys. Okay, so moving right along. Number two, what you want to do on your Facebook profile, remember, you don't want to do any selling here. You only want to motivate people, educate them, and inspire them there. But what you can do is curiosity type posts. For instance, let's say if you're someone, guys, you may know someone in the dog business or something, and the dog training business, all right, or you're in that, and then you simply would post something like, I don't know, let me see, wow, I can't believe how my dog is responding to this incredible training. I never would have thought it would work on him or her, and you simply leave them a message if you're in a process of training your dog and want to have your dog trained properly. Go ahead and drop a comment below, and that's basically it. I didn't sell anything. I just dropped a curiosity post, let them know about the results that I have, that I've gotten. And so you want to do that and practice this, guys, because this really works. And number three is my personal best and favorite is YouTube, guys. YouTube. Billions of people go to Facebook daily searching for information. Find out what they're searching for in your niche. You can easily go to YouTube and type in top 10 of whatever your niche is, what's going on, and find out what people are searching for, and you simply want to make a video around what they're looking for. And guys, you use all these three tips, and you will definitely start to see the leads pouring in. Again, my name is James Bill. Please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, guys, and the bell notification, so you'll know the next time I create a video that's going to help you in your business, guys. And I'm going to leave a link below. I have a gift for you. It's attraction marketing, 7 steps to attraction marketing, showing you some neat tricks that's going to get you off and running real quickly here. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that for you down below. Again, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video.